Looking for car parking sensors? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 5 car parking sensors available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect car parking sensors for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5 on our list, we have the Hopkins 60100V Envision Backup Sensor System. This variant of the Envision automobile parking sensor system is a simple yet popular model. This model distinguishes itself from the competitors by being extremely simple to set up. It's a basic unit with only 2 sensors and a sound signal obstacle detection alerting system, but there's no light on the receiver. The audible beeping sound is fairly loud, but there is no way to decrease the volume. In addition, this sensor system is mostly made out of plastic and the sensor is pre-built to the frame of the unit. The only caveat is that the Envision is quite expensive, especially when compared with other models. However, it is quite accurate and will immediately warn you of any obstacles found at the rear of your vehicle. Since this is a wired system, you will need to connect it to a 12 volts power source. One good thing about this top-rated car parking sensor system is that the plastic frame is of standard size, so you will have no problem installing it on either a car, truck or an SUV. It comes as a full installation kit out of the box, including a detailed manual on how to use this parking sensor system. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 4 on our list, we have the new 4 parking sensors LED display car reverse backup radar system. The Zonetech is a versatile car parking sensor system that comes with an audible sound system that outputs a loud beep as well as an LED display that will show you in graphical detail about whether it is safe to reverse with your vehicle or not. Indeed, this model has a colored LED system that is very easy to read and use. It has 7 indicator levels that will show you clearly if you are approaching an object or not. One of the best things about this model is that it comes with a complete kit and you even get a drill bit with this purchase. At number 3 on our list, we have the Echelon Car Auto Vehicle Reverse Backup Radar System. Just like the model above, the Echelon is almost an exact carbon copy. However, what differentiates this model is its wide range of colors. Indeed, you can purchase different sensor colors so as to match the color of your vehicle. It is also regarded as one of the best front and rear car parking sensors because of its ease of installation, as you can install the 4 sensors both at the front or at the rear. As mentioned above, you get 4 sensors which are weatherproof and have an accurate range distance detection of 0.9 foot to 6.6 feet. At number 2 on our list, we have the Frostory Car Reverse Backup Parking Sensor Radar System. The Frostory is an upgraded car parking sensor system that has a working voltage of 10 volts to 16 volts DC. This is quite an improvement, especially considering that other models still work on 12 volts only. Therefore, this unit will be able to work in a wide range of vehicles, from cars to trucks, no problem. In addition, it comes with 4 sensitive sensors that allow it to have a distance range of 1 foot to 4.9 feet. This value is definitely the best we have seen, but it is still more than enough for most people, especially if you are reversing at a normal speed with your vehicle. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the Yonavi PZ303 Car Parking Sensor System. Even if a car parking sensor system is not a very expensive car accessory, it will be difficult to beat the price of the Yonavi. Indeed, this model is definitely the best car parking sensor system when it comes to price. It is simply unbeatable. Moreover, despite being so low in the pricing, it still does not sacrifice build construction or quality, as it has almost the same durability as more expensive sensor systems. You get a LED display with 7 color levels that will quickly and easily show you the status of your reverse. Since you get 4 sensors with this purchase, you get a lot of options for the installation. You can install it both at the front or at the rear. Additionally, this unit will output a loud beeping sound that will warn you of objects behind your vehicle as well. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.